So the device in my hand is a wireless mouse. So in this video I are showing how to replace the battery in this wireless mouse. For doing this you must simply turn the back side of this wireless mouse, and you can see this is the battery cover, and you must use your finger like this, and you can simply remove the back cover in this cordless mouse. So you can see that here inside a size battery with positive and negative size. This is positive and negative, so you must simply take out the battery using your finger. So we know that this is the positive side. So you must insert the negative side touching that spring if you are inserting a battery. So you must insert the battery like this. You can buy a new battery and replace your previous battery like this, and after that you can close the cover. Hope you understood how to replace battery. For more video updates, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.